Welcome to our Music and Arts 8 class. Now let us discuss traditional Asian folk arts and new creative trends. Learning competency. Relate Asia's significant folk performing and visual arts to emerging creative concepts, processes, and practices. Objectives. 1. Discover the connections between traditional folk performing and visual arts of Asia and emerging creative concepts, processes, and practices. 2. Explain how significant folk performing and visual arts in Asia intersect with the emerging creative trends and 3. Examine emerging creative concepts, processes, and practices in various Asian folk performing and visual arts. Unlocking content vocabulary. Traditional Asian folk arts encompass a diverse range of artistic expressions that have evolved over centuries within various Asian cultures. New creative trends refer to emerging patterns, ideas, or movements in creative expression and innovation. The sitar is a plucked string instrument that holds a significant place in Indian classical music. The sitar has a long and rich history, with origins dating back to ancient India. It gained popularity and underwent significant development during the Mughal period in the 16th and 17th centuries. The Japanese koto is a traditional stringed instrument that holds a significant place in Japanese music and culture. The origins of the koto can be traced back to ancient China, where it was known as the guzheng. It was introduced to Japan during the Nara period, 8th century, and underwent significant development over the centuries, evolving into the modern koto we know today. Indonesian gamelan is a traditional ensemble music of Indonesia, characterized by its distinctive percussive sounds and intricate melodies. Thai Ram Thai dance, also known as Thai classical dance, is a traditional dance form of Thailand that holds deep cultural significance. Thai Ram Thai dance has ancient roots, dating back to the Ayutthaya period, 14th to 18th centuries, and influenced by various regional and courtly dance traditions. Balinese legong dance is a traditional dance form from the island of Bali in Indonesia. It is known for its intricate movements, elaborate costumes, and rich cultural symbolism. Korean fan dance, known as bukkichum in Korean, is a traditional Korean dance that incorporates the use of fans as props. It is a highly aesthetic and graceful dance form that often symbolizes beauty, elegance, and harmony. The fan dance has its roots in ancient Korean culture and has been performed for centuries as part of various traditional ceremonies, celebrations, and rituals. Chinese brush painting is a traditional art form that has been practiced for centuries in China. It is characterized by its emphasis on brushwork, ink, and the use of rice paper or silk as a surface for painting. Chinese brush painting has a long history dating back to ancient times, with roots in calligraphy and inkwash painting. It developed alongside other traditional Chinese art forms such as calligraphy, seal carving, and poetry, and has been influenced by Taoist, Confucian, and Buddhist philosophies. Japanese woodblock printing, known as ukiyo-e in Japanese, is a traditional art form that flourished during the Edo period, 1603 to 1868, in Japan. Indonesian wayang kulit is a traditional form of shadow puppetry that has been practiced for centuries in Indonesia, particularly on the islands of Java and Bali. Beijing opera, also known as Peking opera, is a traditional form of Chinese theater that combines various art forms, including music, vocal performance, mime, dance, and acrobatics. Kathakali is a highly stylized classical Indian dance drama that originated in the state of Kerala in southern India. No is a traditional form of Japanese theater that has been performed for over 600 years. No originated in the 14th century, primarily developed by Kanami Kiyotsugu and his son Zimi Motokiyo. It flourished during the Muromachi period, 1336 to 1573, and has remained an important part of Japanese cultural heritage ever since.